don't know what kind of game you're playing coming to work in the same building.
It's a big building. It's not my idea.
Well, you didn't do anything to stop it, did you? I don't care how you do it, what reason you come up with, you walk away from that
I
lease.
couldn't if I tried. Even talking to my mother, she's not very fond of the idea either.
Do you like the idea?
No, I don't like the idea. You think I want to run into every 5 seconds when I'm trying to run a business?
With. I don't have to...
There it goes. There it goes in the elevator.
Not even 7.
Oh my God, Mom. Just even 7.
What?
The Young and the Restless celebrates its 11,000th episode on Thursday.
The stars from the show, Jason Thompson and Gina Tognoni, are here to tell us more about it. Good to see you guys. Good morning.
Oh my goodness, we have so much fun.
Congratulations.
We have so much fun.
Yeah.
September 1st is our 11,000th episode. It's kicking off a wonderful fall. Our affair on the show is being revealed in the fall, and we have Adam. He's on the run with Chelsea and his son Connor.
Yeah, and Mrs. Bell is making an appearance on our 11,000th episode, where she was one of the co-creators. So yeah, it's a big.
There's a lot of pride.
And
There's a lot of
Jason,
pride of the show.
we also know you as Dr. Patrick Drake for 11 years in General Hospital.
Yeah, I was there.
When you take on the new character, Billy Abbott, it's been played before, it's been around for a while. How difficult is that for you? Is that a tough challenge?
Well, I mean, any role is really challenging, but this was different for sure. You know, with the genre, you do get recasts and things like that, so it's not that surprising at a certain extent. But I mean, there's a ton of history. He's been on the show. He's a very integral character. So yeah, I had to do my due diligence to find out where he's from, what his relationships are like on the show, and everything else. And then you just try and backtrack a little bit and then make it your own. I mean, everybody did a fantastic job to get it to this place, and now I'm just the guy taking it to this level too. And I find him at an interesting place in his life. So it's been amazing. From day one, I get to work with Gina and Peter Bergman and my mother, Jess, and they're just fantastic people, and it's been a blast.
Some of our crew members, when they heard that you two were coming on the show, they're like, oh my gosh, we have to ask them about the relationship. You two have a hot and heavy thing going.
I know.
Yeah.
Is it going hot and heavy?
Hot and heavy.
Is it going to continue, or can you give us a sneak peek of what might happen?
I would love it to, but I don't know about this one.
Right.
You know, I mean, I'm married to his brother.
Yeah, that would be a problem.
It's scandalous.
Not
Yeah,
a
it
big
really
deal.
is. It's a technicality.
It's so wrong. You know,
I think
and
it's illegal in some places.
it probably is. And Jack eventually finds out. That is exciting. That's coming up in the fall, and I just am excited for the viewers to see all this. I think we've really had a positive reaction to this story. You know, 50% want me with Jack, and 50% want me with Billy, and I love that. I love that. It's kind of exciting that.
Well, I think it's what Young and the Restless does really well too. I think it's the only way to get to 11,000 episodes when you invest in the characters and the drama of it, but the emotional part and the human part of it.
human
I think
part,
they've done a good job of doing that.
That's what's fun. You ask us, why do we do this every day? It's because it's so much fun to make these characters human and then make it relatable to the folks at home. And just to live that is so much fun.
I love your name, Tognoni.
And you say it perfectly, by the way.
well,
Are you Italian?
I am.
It's an industry,
You got it.
though,
You say it that way. I
where
love
it's
it.
sometimes we're encouraged to change our names. And
Right.
Did you get any pressure from agents or producers?
Yes,
to,
I did.
Yeah.
Yes, I did. I did. My very first manager, I won't mention his name, he's a wonderful guy, actually. He said, maybe we should change it to something simpler. Is there anyone in your family, like a grandmother with her maiden name, and she did, her name was Reed, R-E-E-D, and I thought about it. I even had an 8x10 printed with Gina Reed, and I looked at it, and I said, nah, it's just not doing much for me, and we stuck with Tognoni. But it's been beaten up a little bit over the years
I
with the
love it,
pronunciation.
though. It makes
but
it special. And Jason,
That's
you
right.
write music, I understand, when you're not working on Y&R.
Yeah, I have a 3-month-old little boy.
Yeah.
Not just me, obviously, my wife and I. But yeah, so any free time, that was a little bit more of my time when I was just working and doing that and everything else. But yeah, I kind of like to sit on the deck, and that's where my quiet meditation place is, just writing and doing that kind of thing. It keeps the artistic blood going.
Right.
Well, thanks to
Great.
both of you for coming
Yeah.
on.
Thanks for
Congratulations
having us.
again
Yeah,
to the
congratulations.
show.
Fantastic set. Congratulations to you.
We're so proud.
Looks
We're
amazing.
so happy. The Young and the Restless, 11,000th episode, airs on Thursday, September 1st at 11:30 a.m. right here on CBS 2.